Today we are talking about our pliés and how they correspond to our center work, specifically our adage or adagio. Anytime we reference adage or adagio, we're talking about our work that is at ease or leisure. And this is typically referencing like our port de bras, our arabesques when we're holding them and we look super graceful, or our turns. And today I'm going to kind of talk a little bit more about our turns specifically, our pirouettes. So we need our pliés in order to have the push off the ground in order to even do our pirouettes. So a good example is being in fifth position, we would demi-plie. This is going to set us up so we have a nice, easy takeoff. We can also use our pliés for things like pas de basque, as well as a whole number of other steps. And so I just kind of want you to think about where you use your pliés as you're out center and retain everything that you've practiced at the bar. We use our grand pliés out center, we use our demi-pliés, our fondus, and I just want you to be aware every time you're going through that positioning and really keeping control of everything that you worked so hard at while you were at bar. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow we are going to be talking about how pliés correspond to our allegro work.